Hello guys, welcome to this video tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to download and install Termux on your Android device. But before we dive in, let's fully understand what Termux is. So Termux is a potent Android terminal emulator that helps users reach the Linux command line environment on their mobile phone. With Termux, users can install and run a wide variety of Linux tools and utilities, including text editor, programming languages, and understanding administration tools. So with that being said, let's walk through the process of downloading and installing Termux. For you to download Termux, open your preferred web browser on your Android device and go to the F-Droid website by typing fdroid.org in the search bar. Now you may ask, why can't I download it safely from the Play Store? Here's the reason. Termux is no longer supported on the Play Store, and the last updated version of Termux was in 2020. So the best way to download it is from the F-Droid website. Once you're on the F-Droid website, you can search for Termux using the search bar found on the website. Is to locate the Termux app from the search results and click on it. Now, on the Termux app page, click on the download APK button found on the page to start the download. Once the download is done, click on the downloaded APK file to start the installation process. Next is to set up the Termux app to work properly. Once the download is successful, we have to set up Termux to work properly. To set up Termux on Android device, you need to run some necessary commands on the Termux app. To do this, open the Termux app, grant necessary permissions like storage access, and run apt update double and apt upgrade command to update the package list and upgrade the installed packages. This may take some time, so we need to allow it to complete the process. When the process is complete, give Termux access to read and write files by typing termux-setup-storage and then click on allow on the prompt message shown on the screen. This is how to download and install Termux on Android device. If you like this video tutorial, please do wait to like and share this video so that more people can learn from it. And don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content. See our next video. Bye.